Inquests and public inquiries are unlike ordinary court hearings because, as their name implies, they are inquisitorial proceedings whose primary purpose is to investigate a situation and to arrive at a conclusion. Whether that conclusion concerns the cause of someone's death in the case of an inquest, or a government-appointed inspector's recommendation to a government body in relation to a matter of public interest. Inquests are held in order to establish the cause of death in situations where the death was not due to natural causes. Those who become involved in inquests are, obviously, the bereaved of the person who has very sadly died, and the person who may be found to have been wholly or partly responsible for that death. For example, the driver of a car involved in an accident in which the deceased died. Whichever side the individual is on, they will undoubtedly have a vested interest in the outcome. Whether it be an inquest or an inquiry, the adversarial skills of an experienced barrister in cross-examining witnesses and making speeches, or what lawyers call submissions, to the coroner in an inquest, to the inspector in an inquiry, can make or break the case. The huge advantage of being represented in either type of hearing is that the experienced advocate can bring a professional and objective detachment to the case, unaffected by understandable emotion affecting those who are personally involved, and unaffected by any personal agendas. The independent and experienced advocate is able to put the most persuasive case before the hearing, to the very best advantage of the side that he is representing. It cannot be overstated that effective representation during the course of an inquest, in particular, can be pivotal, if not determinative, as to the likelihood of any subsequent proceedings, particularly of a criminal nature. If a prosecution does follow, then the way in which the evidence unfolded and was addressed before the inquest can itself have a very real and direct bearing upon any subsequent trial. There may also be consequential civil claims by the estate of a deceased person or an injured employee who is seeking damages. In both inquests and inquiries, continuity of representation is obviously a vital element. And if the case becomes a criminal prosecution, it will involve considerable adversarial skills being required before the jury. I have the resources of a team of highly experienced investigators from a variety of backgrounds who can assist under my direction with the preparation of any case that goes before an inquest. And I can assist you with the selection and briefing of any necessary experts that are required.